Machirnya koromoga juanga wechegi mag migago wadhi mbele gi mi wechego manyien metude kod wanyiswa pachi kotenda gi magi mabende wa medo keloni. Kacha kane pok wadhi yonya koromoga juang ne wanyisi kotendre koda twak madhi mbele Jaramogi Oginga Odinga Foundation e boma Nairobi wadhi achiel kachiel wawinje gino madhi mbele ka bende Kalonzo Musyoka wesechegi.
Without any public participation, and here I want to thank the Catholic Church for beginning to show leadership. We're not going to kill our people through GMO. And I think as Kenyans, we are very good at forgetting things very fast, but how do we forget about that which is going to kill us with cancer? Ugonjwa saratani. Kwa hivyo, mimi naona tu nisiongee zidi ya hayo. I don't like things that are politically motivated. And therefore impeachments, Kenyans, remember. Politically motivated impeachment at the Senate, and this is what is being worked out. I want to urge the Committee of JLAC to stand as a different committee, believing in the rule of law, fair justice, administrative justice, and we all belong in this country. In fact, the country is beginning to get together. But it looks like our friends want to take Kenyans back to the streets. Kenyans would have wanted a peaceful Christmas. But why are you doing this to our country? Cry, my beloved Kenya. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.